If you practice every day, you can really learn English in 6 months. It may sound difficult, but it's possible if you work hard and don't give up. You don't need to be perfect or study for many hours. Just 1 or 2 hours a day can help a lot if you use that time well. The most important thing is to keep going and not stop. If you use English every day by speaking, listening, reading, and writing, you will see big improvements. Speaking is very important. Many learners feel shy or scared to speak, but you should not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, and they help you learn. Try to speak in English every day. If you have someone to talk to, that's great. You can talk with a friend, a tutor, or use a language exchange app. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Say what you are doing, describe your day, or speak your thoughts out loud. Even 20 to 30 minutes of speaking every day will help you speak better and feel more confident. Listening is another good way to learn English. Try to listen to English every day. Watch videos on YouTube, listen to podcasts, or watch movies and shows. If it's hard to understand, you can start with subtitles. Later, try to listen without them. You can also try shadowing. This means you listen to a sentence and repeat it right away. Try to copy how the person says the words. This helps with pronunciation and makes your English sound more natural. Just 30 minutes of listening each day can make a big difference. Vocabulary is the words you use to talk and understand. Learning new words helps you say more and understand more. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Don't just remember the meaning. Use the word in a sentence. Write the word down, say it out loud, and try to use it when you speak or write. You can use flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet to remember words. Try to learn words that are useful for your life, like words about work, food, travel, or feelings. Learning in groups or topics can help you remember better. Grammar helps you make good sentences. You don't need to learn all the grammar at once. Start small. For example, learn how to talk about the present, then learn the past, and then the future. Try to use what you learn. Write short sentences using the grammar rules. You can write a journal about your day or write about a topic you like. Writing helps you remember grammar and vocabulary and makes your English better. Reading is also very helpful. Try to read in English every day. You can read articles, short stories, blogs, or even social media posts. Choose reading that matches your level. If it's too hard, you may feel confused. If it's too easy, you may not learn much. When you read, look at how the sentences are made. If you see a new word, try to understand it from the sentence or look it up. Reading helps you learn new words, see grammar in action, and understand how people really use English. Writing is a great way to practice English. You don't have to write a lot, just a little every day. You can write about your plans, your feelings, or what happened in your day. You can also write answers to questions or write your opinion on something. Writing helps you think in English, and you will get better at using words and grammar. You can use tools online to check your writing or ask people for help. One of the best ways to learn English is to surround yourself with it. This is called immersion. Change your phone to English. Follow English speakers on social media. Watch English videos and listen to English music. Label things in your house with their English names. Try to think in English when you can. The more you use English in your life, the faster you will learn. Your brain will get used to the language, and it will become easier to understand and speak. The most important thing is to practice every day. You don't have to study for many hours. Even 30 to 60 minutes a day is enough if you do it every day. Try to make a habit. Maybe study in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Break your study time into small parts. 10 minutes for vocabulary, 20 minutes for listening, 30 minutes for speaking or writing. This makes learning easier and less stressful. Small steps every day will lead to big results. Your attitude is also important. Some days, learning English will feel easy. Other days, it might feel hard. This is normal. Don't feel bad if you don't understand everything right away. Be patient and kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Maybe you understood a full sentence today or used a new word. These small things show you are improving. If you keep going, you will see results. Learning English in 6 months is not about being perfect. It's about practicing every day and enjoying the journey. You need to speak, listen, read, and write a little each day. Use words in real life. Practice grammar in writing and surround yourself with English. The more you use the language, the faster you will learn it. Stay positive, keep trying, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. 6 months from now, you will look back and see how much you've grown. With daily practice, you can really do it.